So now I am on Pixel Studio. So as you can see here, I don't have a layer. So now let's select the shape tool, left click here. I'm going to select the rectangle tool. So I'm just going to make my rectangle here. So here it is. I need it to fill all my canvas. The canvas size is 1920 by 1080 pixels. So now I'm going to change the color of the square here. So here it is. I'm just going to change it from here, from the color tab here. So now let's go to Pixel, Filters, Noise, and then select Perlin Noise. So now as you can see, my shape layer, my rectangle layer has been changed into pixel layer because of the Perlin Noise filter. It rasterized the layer. So now I'm going to leave these settings as they are. So here it is, the octave 16 pixels. The zoom, I'm going to leave it to 160 per center. And for the persistence, I'm just going to leave to 70 pixels and then click apply. And now make sure to select the layer with the noise, go to pixel again, filters, and this time select blur. And then I'm going to select the zoom. So I think I'm going to leave to around 51 here and then click apply. So now I'm going to duplicate my layer, Control J to duplicate. So here it is. Now I'm going to select the upper layer and then go to Pixel, Filters, Distort, and then select Twirl. So now I'm just going to change the angle. So here I'm going to change it to around 340. And for the radius, for example, you can change it. So here it is. So as you can see, it will block at 1024. Just need to double click here and then change it. For example, I will go with 2000 pixels. I'm going to use these settings here, 340 for the angle, and the radius is 2000 pixels. And now I'm just going to click apply. And now I'm going to change its layer mode of the upper layer with the twirl effect. I'm going to change it to lighten. So now I'm going to select the bottom layer and then go to Pixel, Filters, Distort, and then select Twirl again. So the angle of the first layer was 340 and now I just need to invert it. So for example, I'm just going to type minus 340 per center. So here it is. You can also, for example, just change the angle here. You can also change, for example, the radius if you want. So I'm just going to leave the radius as it was to 2000 pixels. And for the angle, I will go with around 340 or 50. So here it is. And I'll just click apply. And now I'm going to select the top layer, right click on it, and then select merge down. So we have only one layer. So now I'm going to add the curves adjustment layer. I'm just going to click here on the adjustments and then select the curves. And now I'm just going to increase, for example, the contrast. I'm going to move this handle here on the bottom to the right till I reach the graph here. And then I'm going to move the upper point here to the left. So as you can see, it will brighten it. And this one here is going to darken it. So here it is until you find the effect you want. So I'm just going to leave it here. And now I'm just going to click on the X here to exit. And now I'm going to add the gradient map. Let's go to the adjustments again. Left click on it and then select gradient map. So I'm going to select the green point here. I'm just going to click on delete to delete it. And then I'm going to select the left point here. Click on color. And for this one, I'm going to change it to black. So here it is. And then I'm going to select the right point here. Left click on the color. Just going to move the window here. So here it is. And then I'm going to left click on the color. And now I can change, for example, the color I want. So I think I'm going to go with this blue. And then I'm just going to click on the X here to exit. And now I'm just going to right click here on the right here. And then select merge visible. This will create a new layer from what's visible on the canvas. And now I just want to sharpen it. So let's select the filters here, down here. Left click. And then I'm going to add an unsharp mask. And now I'm just going to increase the radius. So I think I'm going to leave it here. I'm just going to click on the X here to exit.